Okay, all I can say to this is oops. I was cleaning the truck camper out, getting ready to go, and I did something kind of forgetful. I went to turn off the fridge, and I didn't notice I hadn't hit the button here. I saw the light for the automatic go off, but it there's no indicator light for when the fridge is on or off. So it's off now. But so I was expecting to come out here today and finish cleaning out the fridge, but as you can see, I've got considerable ice buildup now. Looks kind of interesting, but so I guess I'm going to have to wait until tomorrow for that to thaw out, and hopefully it will all drain out. The water drains out into this pan below and out through the hole there, but a lot of it's going to come in down on the bottom of the fridge, so I've got a towel down there to catch some of the water too. I'll come back out in an hour, see how it's doing. But yeah, anyway, I got the bed cleaned up, got the dinette area somewhat cleaner than it was, but I still have to clean it out. And then I still have to get rid of a bunch of the stuff here too. So we're in motion. It's nice and toasty in here. I've got the baseboard heater on, and I've got my bags of firewood out there. All the cutoffs from framing, I save them up for campfires. Works out great. So okay, well, that's the quick update. I accidentally missed shutting off the fridge, so it is now full of ice around the cooling element, or whatever you call that. So okay, hopefully back to my regularly scheduled cleaning tomorrow. And my springs are coming in tomorrow. I picked them up down at UPS, and the balance of stuff is supposed to get here on Friday, and so I will pick those up, and then Saturday I will be doing springs all day long. Maybe not all day, but until it's done. But yeah, it's kind of nice to have the truck camper all getting cleaned up. It smells real nice in here. Looking forward to heading on down to Arizona and seeing people. So I will keep you posted on the progress of this thing. Alright, thanks for watching. Hours now, and I came out to take a look at the freezer. Everything is thawed out. I was wrong about the water draining out. You see all that ice melted. Looks like it's all melted and went down to the bottom of the freezer. So I am going to take my towel. The bottom of the fridge, that's totally dry, and all the water's up here. So I'm going to take a towel, throw it in there, and soak it up. There's probably maybe a quart of water in here. So I was wrong. The water does not simply drain out and down through there as I had thought. I was looking at the little cracks on the bottom sides, and so I just kind of thought that it would have a way to get out through there, but it does not. It's sealed. Okay, so I'm going to clean this out a little bit, and that'll be it for tonight. I'm already on to other projects. So that is the finish to the oops update. Things are back under control now. Truck camper is going to get cleaned out better tomorrow. Should have all of this wrapped up tomorrow. And that'll feel good. Okay. See you on the next video.